Chapter 11 Communication. Ponder a while. If somebody can't speak, how does he tell people what he wants? How does a child of 6 to 8 months express his emotions? Need for communication. Communication means exchange of thoughts and ideas with each other. We need to communicate to express our feelings and experiences. Communication helps us to know about the people and world. Many years ago, when people did not know a language, they could still communicate by using different signs. The signs used were such as smoke signals or paintings on stones or on the walls of caves. They could also communicate by moving eyes and hands. Means of communication. Means of private communication. People learned different languages and started writing. Earlier, people used to write on leaves. Then, they started writing on papers. People started writing letters to convey their messages to distant relatives and friends. Earlier, trained pigeons were used to carry letters. Then, messengers went on foot or horses to deliver letters. Today, we have much faster means of communication. We can send the messages through postal services. Postal services provide us with postcards, inland letters, envelopes, and stamps which help in communicating with others. Let's see the journey of the letter through postal service. Firstly, letter is put into the red letter box. The postman comes once in a day to collect all the letters from the letter box. He takes all the letters to the post office. There, he stamps them and sorts according to the cities. Then, he carries the letters to the railway station where they are carried by trains to different cities. He also collects the bag of letters meant for his own city from the train. He carries this bag of letters to the post office where he stamps these letters. Then he sorts all these letters according to the localities of his city. He sorts the letters of locality according to the house numbers and street names. Then he goes by bicycle to deliver the letters to different places in the locality. Some other fast means of personal communication are telephones and emails. Emails are the messages sent by the computer. Courier services are also a fast means of sending and receiving parcels. Means of mass communication. Mass communication means communicating with a number of people in different areas at the same time. Radio, television, magazine, and newspapers are the means of mass communication. With the help of mass communication, we are able to know what is happening around the world. Saying without speaking. Have you observed dancers making expressions on their face while dancing? They communicate different messages without speaking. There are some people who cannot speak or listen. They cannot express their feelings and needs, nor they can listen. Such people have special schools. These schools help them to learn special languages called sign languages. The sign languages are spoken by hands and finger movements.